Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends error code 004. So the first thing you can do is open search, type in CMD, and then click Run as Administrator. Open it, and here type in ipconfig space lush DNS. And then try relaunching the client. If that doesn't help, if that doesn't work, open your right client, log in to your account, let it load here, click here on the three dots, go to settings, click League of Legends, and this will repair your game files if they're corrupted or not. Click start repair, it will do it quickly. Once done, then try relaunching League of Legends or try loading the game. Now, even if that doesn't help, what you can do is type in search network, view network connections, open it. Once you're in here, find Ethernet, right click on it, click properties. Here find Internet Protocol version 4. Once you open it, click on the second one, use the following DNS server and type in 8888, and the second row is going to be 8844. Click OK, click OK, close this. Also, you can restart your PC and then try relaunching League of Legends, and hopefully that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if this helped. See you in the next one. Bye bye.